Hello, I am Rash Ravi Shankar with another episode of Friday Poems. This is the first episode in the year 2022. We hope to continue for many episodes more during this year. I request all of you to send your videos to us for telecasting on YouTube. The poet this week is Vineetha Mekkoth from Kozhikode, Kerala, who is a poet, translator, editor and reviewer. She has translated for Kerala Sahitya Academy and contributed articles for Malayalam Literature Survey, a quarterly brought out by the Academy. Her poems and short stories have been included in many anthologies. Her work has been featured in Destiny Poets, Glow Mag, Duane's Poetry, Leading in Creativity, Spielwords and Mad Swivel magazine. She is co-editor and participating poet of the anthology Umbilical Codes, an anthology of parents remembered, published in 2015. Her debut poetry collection Ashtavakra and Other Poems was published in August 2017. Her book finds mention in the highly recommended list in the International Prime Poetry Festival 2019 and is mentioned in the Journal of Commonwealth Literature 2018. Her latest book, Pen Piravi, Birth of a Woman, is the translation of the contemporary Malayali poet Girija Patekara's poetry collection, which is published by Authors Press, New Delhi, which came out in October 21. Vineetha is reading two poems of hers today, A Different Me and Emptiness. So over to Vineetha to read her poems. Thank you.
Hi, Vineetha Mekkoth here from Calicut, Kerala. I would like to first of all thank dear Ravi Shankar sir for giving me this opportunity to read for Friday Poems. So here I go. My poem is titled A Different Me. Something sweeps me up, uncontrollable. I stand in the courtyard as the clouds gather. The wind tears at my dress, whips my hair onto my face. The sting brings tears sudden, unbidden. Lightning rips across the dark sky, lighting up the turgid clouds, highlighting their puffy borders. Thunder, ear-splitting, and the wind, how it gathers and flings. I'm unafraid. I stretch out my arms, trying to swallow the cold, cold wind. My heart seems to burst with joy. The ferocity of the wind, the darkness, the lightning, the thunder, the coolness. I gulp greedily. I laugh out loud. Serenophilia? Maybe. What brings this ecstasy? What stirred me? The recognition of how puny a creation I am on this vast canvas. The energy that flowed around and in me, reinforcing my unity with the universe. Years ago, as a child, I got lost. I sat in a teacup on a toy train, alone, staring at the green paint, peeling in patches, showing the rust brown beneath. It was cold. Probably a rain had fallen some time ago. The cup was damp and held water in the circle along the bottom edge. I shivered and looked up at the cloudy grey sky. Would I be found or would I be lost? The 4-year-old me wondered about what would happen. Would somebody else find me and take me home? On a previous occasion, I had been warned against getting lost. Then, would I be somebody else and not me? I would have a different name, maybe. After what seemed like a long, long time, I heard Daddy calling. Once, twice, I sat quiet. I wanted to be found, but I didn't too. Peculiar me. He peered in and saw me. Relief flooded his face as he gathered me up and held me close. I don't remember anymore, but I still wonder, if I had not been found, would I have been somebody else? I would still be here somewhere in this wide world. Not this me, a different me. Maybe I'm still out there, and this me is a different me. Thank you. Hi, I'm back with my second poem. Emptiness. My heart twists and turns. Do you have any idea how it feels, Sakha? Today, I thought of the babbler fledgling. It had been hopping at the back of the house. The crows pecked at it. I took it in and placed it beneath the basket, fed it some rice gruel. It cheeped, and the gruel dribbled from the sides of its yellow beak. I left for the hospital and came back empty. I opened the basket. There it lay on its side, eyes closed, cold. My insides ached. The earth was hard as I dug the grave. Sakha, what does one do when emptiness multiplies? Thank you.